Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have a huge zully unboxing for you guys. Um, this probably is going to be a long video, just a little heads up. So I've had this box a while and I don't remember what's inside, because what I've started doing is when I get like more than one box and one is big, I try to put two smaller boxes into that big box, so I don't have a bunch of boxes all over, but I still have quite a few boxes to open up yet. So I decided to pick a big one today because I haven't done a zulily unboxing in a little while, so I figured I would do this one, and then my next video is probably going to be a haul that I did, a mini haul as such. So let us jump right into this video because I'm kind of excited and I want to see what's in here, because I don't really remember what is in the boxes. I did this a while ago. I just like put everything inside, didn't really look at what they were, and so I don't remember now what I have in there. So it's kind of exciting in a way, because now that with this coronavirus and all this stuff, I'm not doing any shopping like I used to do before. I've stopped buying from Zulily since probably December of last year. So anything that you see me showing in the videos now would be stuff that I've had a while, and I figured, well, I'll just do these a little bit at a time and then get that room straightened up. So with all this isolation and all these things, we're not going anywhere. It's kind of fun to do an unboxing. So I figured, well, I will just do that today. So it's a huge box. I usually keep the boxes when they're a good size, because then you can use it for other stuff. I hope my camera is focused properly because it's acting up today and it's kind of hard getting it to focus. I can use the autofocus, but then it still doesn't really do a good video. So I always try to go for manual, and then I can try to focus it myself. So there's a few things in here, and first thing I'm seeing is this hat. I wanted this a long time, and I think they had these in two different colors. I always like this type of hat because if we're out on the boat, you know, I can wear it to protect my face from the sun, because my fiance likes to go out fishing like all day, and he usually picks the times when they say you shouldn't be out in the sun because you can get skin cancer, but that's the time he likes to go out there. So this is what it looks like. I would have to maybe put a string or an elastic to keep it, because if you wear a hat on the boat while it's moving, it can blow you'll lose your hat that way. So this is what it looks like. It's got a little bow on the side there. Really nice. A little bit big up here. I always tend to have that problem when I buy hats. So we'll see how it works. I mean, it's covering the sides of the face, which is pretty good. So that's what it looks like. And then I got these camisoles. I always like to buy these because they're good for layering, and these are 2 in a pack. They're really stretchy types, and I got them in a size large just to be on the safe side. You could even wear these like under shirts and stuff like that, those button-down shirts. I like the little lace on the bottom, and I like the fact that it's 2 I got in a pack. I actually would like to get some other colors like the beige and stuff, but I don't think, maybe they did have it, but I just don't like to order too many things at once. I like to go with one set first just to see what the quality is like and stuff like that. So this is what these look like. And the thing with white is that it doesn't stay nice and white. After a while it changes the color, like it's not as nice and white. And then I see a box in here, which means this is footwear, but for the life of me, I don't remember. Oh, it's these ones, right? So I've always been wanting booties, and I see other women wearing them, and I'm like, oh, those look so nice on them. But I know that with heels, I don't do very well with heels because I'm already tall, and I don't want to wear something that's uncomfortable if it's too high. But these didn't have a really high heel, so that is why I got these ones. And so this is what they look like. They've got the zippers. And I got these in a size 8 because I like to go bigger in case I wear those nice socks with them. And it's pretty cute, nice and stylish with the little zippers there. And I don't know what the brand is on this. I'm not sure what that is, and it's the taupe color. Okay, and then the next thing I've got is clothing. I'm thinking this might be a top. Yeah, it is a top. Looks a little big because I'm trying to lose some weight now, so you know, I'm shrinking in the upper body but not the lower as much. And this is a size medium, so this is what it looks like, a little v-neck, long sleeve with a little band on the end there. And the back is pretty simple. Well, actually the back is longer than the front. And then I noticed it's got 2 things to tie in the front there, so you just tie it up as a nice style. So hopefully this fits nice. I can wear it in the spring. I didn't think the fabric would have been like that, but that's alright. That's another thing. I'm starting to get a little bit disappointed in the clothing. Like I would order stuff and some would fit really good and then some don't fit as I would have expected them to. So that's another reason why I'm kind of glad I stopped ordering clothing, because I have so much already. Something that's wrapped, so it's probably going to be some kind of ornament of some sort. I don't know what this is, but it's a lot of paper. Oh, it's this mug. This mug. It's like a little swan, and I love swans. I love how they took the time to wrap it, because most times they're pretty good with breakable stuff. Sometimes you do get stuff that's broken. That's when they don't wrap them properly. So this is what this looks like. You can see the beak there. It's like in the shape of a swan, and that's the wing right there. And it's pretty cute. And it says brave and free inside. I don't know if you'll be able to see that, but it's written right there in white, and the inside is pink. So cute. I love it. I think I'm actually gonna use this for makeup brushes. Maverick come to see what I got. Okay, and then I got another wrap item, which I don't know what it is. Ooh, this one is wrapped really good. It's big. I don't remember what this is. Like I said, I've bought these things a long time ago, so. Oh, it's these bottles. These are cute. So there's 3 in the set. I don't know if you're seeing these good. Oh, they look so cute. They're kind of vintage-like. And I think I could put these in my bathroom, like on the bathtub. Those are cute. because you can put stuff inside, like maybe your bath salts and stuff like that. So this is the other one, really nice and girly. You can even give them out as a gift. Super cute. I've been eyeing these for a while, and then I decided to just break down and get them because I figured, well, they would look nice in our bathroom. I know they're a little bit girlish, but that's okay. So this one looks really cute too. They are so nice. I love them. Oh, I love those. So the last thing I have in that box is a purse, which I forgot I ordered. It's always nice when you get things and you kind of forget what they are. You know, it's cute. So it's got like some fringy stuff. And the straps are inside. It's been sitting in there so long it gets all weird looking kind of. So it's pretty simple inside. It's tiny and it's got a little pocket right there like most purses have. And there is another pocket over here. So pretty small, but it's cute. I like it. It's a nice fabric too. It's a thick quality. Love the fringes. I hope I can straighten it out a little bit though. So that's what that looks like. So that brings me to the end of this video. There wasn't many stuff in that box, but some boxes have a lot of stuff in them because I know I put like maybe 2 or 3 boxes and just combine them into one big box. So in some of the videos you're gonna see a lot more stuff than this one, but this one was just the one on top and I just grabbed it because I felt it and I said, well, it doesn't feel very heavy, so I don't think there's a lot of stuff in there, and I was right. But I thought maybe there would have been like a lot of clothing because the clothing isn't heavy, but it did have a little bit of weight on one side, and that's probably because there was that mug in there and then those little glass bottles that I got. So, but all in all, it was a little bit of a light box, but that's fine. So that brings me to the end of my zully unboxing. I was so happy to come on here and do another unboxing video, and my next video, like I mentioned, is probably gonna be a haul. It's just small, not a lot of stuff, and that was done a while ago as well, before all this coronavirus thing got out of control, and that was when the stores were still open. Now they're not open anymore, so you can go shopping to buy clothing and these kinds of things. The only businesses that are really running right now would be like the essential businesses, like your grocery stores and your pharmacy, you know, those kinds, but not for like material stuff like jewelry. But you can still order stuff online, of course, because zully wouldn't mind sending it to you. It just means you'll have to go to the post office, and we're trying our best to not have to do a lot of things out there. Only like if we've got to pick up 1 or 2 items at a grocery store, like we run out of something, that's probably when we'll want to go to town and to check our mail. We have to do that regularly, so unless they start delivering mail where we are, and I don't think that's gonna happen in the future. So that was my little zully unboxing. You could leave me some comments down below if you like anything you've seen in the video. Maybe you've bought some of this stuff. So yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you all so much for watching my videos, and take care now, and happy Easter. I hope you have a good weekend. Whether you're with your family or by yourself, you can still make yourself a nice dinner and just try to make yourself feel happy. And this time, you know, it's hard, but we all have to try. That's the only thing we can do. So it was nice talking to you guys. I will see you again soon. Bye guys.